you like it?
For our science final project of Miss Plummer's 9th grade class, we chose the project Sight versus Sound. Our question is, do you remember more when you hear things or when you see things?
Our hypothesis for our final science project this year is, if you see a picture of an object, then you will be able to remember it more quickly and for a longer period of time than you would if you were to hear the name of the object.
The materials you will need for this experiment are 5 to 10 people of various ages, index cards of any size, 12 pictures of random objects, paper to gather information on, a pencil, and a list of 12 random words different than the objects.
Step 1 is glue or tape pictures of objects of your choice to index cards.
Step 2 is show the 12 pictures of objects to the first person.
Ready when you are.
Let's get it on. Vi sitter här I väntan och spelar lite Dota.
Step 3 is, let person sit for 30 seconds.
Step 4. Within 45 seconds, that person has to write down what they can remember of those 12 objects.
And go!
You remember all of the times we remember.
Step 5. Record results.
Step 6, say a list of 12 random words to the person.
Dragon, apple, stove, butterfly, red, bowl, sky, chair, shoe, glue, fire, leaves, winter, smelly, pirate.
Step 7. Let the person sit for 30 seconds.
Step 8. Have person write down as many words as they remember within 45 seconds.
And 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard.
Time.
Step 9, record results.
Step 10. Repeat the steps 2 through 9 for each person individually, depending on how many people you are testing the experiment on.
Step 11. Compare results and then compare two hypotheses.
All I ever wanted was to see you smiling. I know that I love you, oh baby, why don't you see? To see you smiling. I'm your base. I'm your base. I'm your
Television, light, no, remember.
Shoe, glue,
Now you're gone, I realize my love for you was strong.
If you're uncomfortable, can you please stop?
Here by the phone, with your pictures hanging on the wall. Now you're gone.
Interesting. Smelly, pirate.
Thomas, what's up with that?